Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the brain tumor detection system using machine learning. So let's continue with this video.
So this particular implementation not only detect the brain tumor from the X-ray and CT scan image, it detect the tumor, classify the tumor, and also do the segmentation and also identify the size of tumor. Okay, so this is the web interface for the project. So here you have to upload a brain MRI image. Okay, so I have provided you some sample images which you can upload. Just like this is the one of the category of a brain tumor. See, this is the brain tumor X-ray images. So as you can see, there is a look like a tumor kind of there. Okay, in the X-ray image. So you just have to choose the image and then you have to click to analyze the image. Okay, and it will take some few seconds to analyze the image and to make the prediction. Okay, so once the prediction ready, it will show you. Okay, so as you can see, the detection result is key detection one is predicted, key which is the glioblastoma something tumor is there. Okay, and it is also showing the size of tumor. Okay, the location is tumor and this area. Okay, how much area is infected, and it is also exactly showing you what is the size in normal centimeter. So this is the width of tumor, this is the height of tumor, this is the area of tumor. Okay, and this is the total volume which is consuming by this particular tumor in the brain. Okay, and if you see the analysis statistics, so there is only one tumor detected with the confidence of 89%, and this is the total area. Okay, so as you can see, this is the area which looks like a tumor, and it has algorithm has also detected that this is the tumor. And if you go down, you will get more segmented result. Key what exactly the area which is infected. So this is the area where infection of tumor has been uh, causes. Okay, same, let's provide some other images, some random images. Okay, let me choose some other category of tumor, just like this one. Okay, let's try to analyze this image. So as you can see, system has predicted this is the between something this type of category of tumor as. Okay, and this is the size and all. Okay, and this is the area where it is infected. So this is the as you can see, it is look like a tumor. Okay, in the brain. So this is the area which is infected. Okay, so this way you can do the particular classification. Okay, and for the algorithm part, basically we have used this RoboFlow dataset. This is the one of the higher images dataset available on internet. Okay, which is also available the segmentation in the tumor area. Okay, so this dataset we have utilized, and for segmentation detection we have used the YOLO algorithm, the latest version of YOLO we have implemented. So this is the notebook which has been used on Colab and done the training using Colab notebook. Okay, so this all the code which are doing some dataset analysis, pre-processing of data, loading of data. Okay, and doing the training of models. So these are some sample images from the dataset. Okay, and we have done the training and we have done the 50 epochs on YOLO algorithm, and we have achieved almost 85% of accuracy in YOLO algorithm for the segmentation. Okay, which is the very high accuracy as per comparison of all matrices. Okay, and this is the overall all graphs which has been used for matrix. Okay, and these are some real time use cases where it is making the prediction. Okay, so this way we have done YOLO training, and along with this, for segmentation and detection, we are using YOLO. Okay, and for the classification, we have using CNN architecture. We have created our own CNN architecture, a hybrid CNN architecture where we are using pre-trained model and also created a model from scratch. We are using the same data set. Just the only thing we are doing for the from this dataset, we are extracting the segmented area. Whatever tumor has been detected, we are extracting this area. Okay, and then we are training these three categories of tumor on the CNN architecture. And so this is the CNN architecture which we have created. So this is the custom branch which we have created, and this is the pre-trained model branch for the Connext, which is the recently launched CNN model in 2024. Okay, and then we are combining both model and doing the training. For this also we have got 75 to 80% accuracy for this CNN architecture. So this way we have implemented this brain tumor detection, and which all are the metrics for the same.
So let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.